Welcome to FNK Academy. Let's get started with our first HTML tutorial. Introduction to HTML. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard language for creating web pages. It contains elements which tells the browser how to display content. Below is a simple sample of HTML document. In the sample, we have both codes on your text editor and the results in your browser. In our next tutorial, we are going to take you through the basic elements of HTML. Stay tuned for more content. Thank you for watching. See you in our next tutorial. And if you have not yet subscribed to YouTube channel, kindly do so.